What is up guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kung anong oras yung man to pinapanood. Ngayon guys, magvo-vlog tayo ngayon kasi it's been a while ngayon hindi ako nag-vlog. So, napansin nyo, 1 week na ako hindi nakapag-vlog, nakapag-upload ng video. Pero it's so good in the hood. Ito pala sila, kamusta yun sila? Oh, mag-hi ka naman sa vlog.
Hi!
Ito si tatay natin, mahilig mahilig mag-intro. Tulad naman dito. Okay, your turn.
Good morning.
Go. Your turn. Hi! Hi! Ay, sige, okay. Adi intro, tulad ng intro.
Hi, good morning.
Good evening, everybody. Kalokwan. Sunday ngayon. Hindi kami nakapagsimba ngayon dahil hinihintay namin yung ate ko kasi nanganak na siya ngayon at may mga kapatid na naman to. May kapatid ka na naman ha. So yeah, hintayin lang natin sila and yeah, mag-vlog tayo ngayon. First time ko ata mag-vlog ulit ng like ganito, raw vlogging. So vlog na ito! So yun guys, habang hinihintay natin sila ate, tsaka yung mga baby, tsaka yung baby niya, mga baby, kala mo kung madami. Zion, baby Zion is, what are you holding? So, a sticker. Maglalagay lang tayo ng, what do you call that? DMV, California, choo-choo, blah blah, freaking, mahal-mahal lang sticker na yun. Just for that sticker is, it's like around $450, bro. Where did I park my car? I was right there.
Didn't you park the car inside where the van goes?
Yeah, but I work yesterday, right? So, anong gusto mong sabihin, Jerry? You're gonna vlog here.
Okay, I
I'm
don't
hold
know.
that. Go tell them about Zion or something.
Zion?
Yeah.
He mostly sleeps.
Okay, so ngayon, dodrive natin yung kotse doon sa parking natin kasi wala naman
Van.
Wala naman yung van, so papark na natin doon para may silong and then ilalagay na natin yung sticker.
Why is it so dirty?
Is it dark?
No, I
Can you
don't think.
adjust it? Let me see.
Is it dark too?
I mean, I'm dark already, so. Gabi sa mga ano. It's not close. Can you close it again? So ngayon guys, may bago na tayong taga-video. Pangalan niya Jerry. Mag-hi ka, Jerry.
Hi.
Okay, siya na yung taga-video natin simula ngayon, right? So nagpa-practice siya mag-vlog. So habang nagpa-practice siya mag-vlog, siya muna yung videographer natin for vlogging. Okay?
Yep. Okay, we're back.
So guys, nandito na tayo. Malapit lang. Wala pang 10 seconds.
So,
Vlog me. So yeah, papalitan na natin yung tag sticker. Are you
yes.
on the frame?
Yes.
Okay, good job, Jerry.
So
Bumili din nga pala ako. Pumunta ako ng Texas. Hindi nyo alam, pumunta ako ng Texas para mag-attend ng graduation nila ni Ayla.
that's why I told you to vlog. And now your paper's flying away.
Oh, by the way, I didn't vlog that one. Sorry, kasi na-miss ko si Ayla. I just
Want to spend a lot of time with her.
Exactly, Jerry. Okay, so ngayon, yeah, pumunta ako ng Texas, bumili na lang akong sticker. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, can you see that?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. Okay,
So,
ngayon.
they're here! They're here! They're here!
Wait.
Daddy! I'm learning how to vlog.
Oh, really?
Say hi.
Hi.
Jerry, makumandar ka, Daddy, ha? Tama tong anak mo, ha? Baby Zion. Welcome home.
So, pinakita mo na ba yung baby?
Yes, I did.
So, you guys see baby
Zion.
right there? So, tatapusin lang muna natin tong pagpalit ng sticker.
So,
And then, let's gonna visit again baby Zion. Okay?
okay.
So, first, alisin muna natin yung sticker. Old sticker. Out with the
You got the
old.
sticker, right? Okay, good.
Yeah, out with the old.
Baby Zion's back!
Video mo. Yay!
picture.
You know what? I don't want to remove this anymore because it's hard. Let's just put the sticker on top of it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Take the video. Okay.
Put it on top of the blue one. Make sure that
Can they see it?
I can't go on top of your hands, you know. Okay, so there.
There you go.
It's new, but
Look at that. It's new. I
Yes.
didn't remove the other sticker because it's hard.
so it's time to put it back, I guess, or
And then ito, you gotta save this one, put it on your inside your car kasi papakita niyo to kapag na-pull over or sa police, okay?
pull over. Now we're gonna put those stuff on.
There you go.
I'll get the screwdriver. What else do you need?
I'm just gonna put the sticker next time. This one next. I'm gonna put it here. So yun guys, lagay na natin. Pasensya na, medyo boring ang... Look at my shirt. Magkakulay yung shirt ko tsaka yung upuan. So, to ilalagay natin dyan kasi we need that every time. And just in case ma-pull over tayo ng popos. You already know! There you go. And bibisitahin na natin si Baby Zion. Kasi ito pa lang yung second time na makikita ko si Baby Zion. And yung first time nakita ko natutulog lang siya. So sana gising siya. And then gagawan natin siya ng cinematic video. Gagamitin natin yung A6300 plus 30mm 1.4. That's gonna be cinematic as hell. Let's go. So guys, nandito na tayo sa loob. Titignan natin si Baby.
Zion.
Look at that. Oh, she's so cute. Focus. Hey Kiko, who's that?
Baby Zion.
Is that your little brother?
No. Yes.
What?
Yes.
Huwag kang maingay, natutulog ano. Who's that? Carter.
Baby Zion.
Look at that. He's so
Does
cute.
she take a bath every day or every other?
So guys, gagawa na natin siya ng cinematic video in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! So yun, nakita niyo na yung what do you call that? Cinematic shot ng bata. So ngayon katatapos lang namin kumain.
Yung cinematic.
Video day. Ano masasabi mo lolo sa nakita mong apo mo?
Of course, I think what you just
Huh?
said about your
Dikim.
and up and down.
Bagtate.
But
So guys, ingay naman na.
hooray!
Okay, so yeah, hindi ko alam anong next na vlog. I think i-vlog ko yung bibili nga pala tayo din ang meal prep natin kasi magsa-start na naman yung diet session natin. Last 2 weeks, na-hit ko na yung goal ko na 135 pounds. Pero nag-weigh ako ngayon kaninang umaga. Bumalik na naman yung 5 pounds. Kasi I ate bad for the past 2 weeks. Pero babalik tayo doon. Babalik tayo sa 135 pounds and then magigain tayo ng muscles! Let's go! So guys, ngayon pupunta tayo Walmart dahil bibili ako ng pang meal prep kasi magsa-start na ulit yung diet ko sa Monday. So, and yeah,
sunny, it's just
papakita ko yung mga yung bibilhin natin para may idea kayo ano yung imi-meal prep natin. So,
okay guys, we're just parking.
look at that.
Anyways.
Show the car here. Okay guys.
Oh, look at that red car.
What do you call that red car right there, Jerry? It's a freaking Ferrari. We're parking
yeah.
so tiny, but it's so expensive car though.
It's tiny but shiny and expensive. Okay, I'm going beside. I don't want to bump into, so I'm just gonna open the door a little tiny bit. Okay. I know. I'm just opening a little tiny bit. Okay.
So guys, nabili na natin lahat ng mga kailangan natin. Explain ko na lang mamaya sa bahay kung ano yung mga binili natin.
Or the car.
Or the car. Right, Jerry? So let's go.
We are out of Walmart now, and we are just about to go home. And then when we get home, we will show you the things that Tito bought. Okay?
Okay. So yun guys, nandito na kami, nakauwi na kami. And yeah, papakita ko lang yung
Stuff that you
meal prep natin, for the next 2 weeks. So, yung proteins natin, chicken breast, ground beef, it's dapat make sure nyo guys na 93.7 siya, 90% lean, 7% fat. And then, yogurt, yogurt, good source of protein. This one, yung sausage, eggs, and pangpalasa.
sesame.
No, it's not sesame. So, sa carbs naman natin, bread. For sa fat natin, good source of fat, peanut butter. Another source of good carbs, mushrooms. And zucchini. Hindi siya cucumbers. Of course, last protein natin is egg whites. I think dito ko natatapusin yung vlog kasi medyo mahaba na tong vlog na to. Mag-aayos pa ako ng food. And yeah. So, kung nagustuhan niyo itong mga klaseng vlog na to, raw vlogging, ano yung mga ginagawa ko sa typical na araw, hit that like and subscribe button, and then comment nyo kung ano pang gusto nyo makita. So, yeah. Come here. So, ito na yung magiging bagong videographer natin, okay? High five. So, next time, kita-kits ulit. Bye-bye. Wait. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, mag-comment, mag-subscribe, okay? Bye.